Hello from Paradise Bay. The last beach visit for this 20th of January 2024. It is 4:40 p.m. right now, and I'm exploring this small sandy beach lying in this natural cove here. And the beach is located very close to ferry terminal Ċirkewwa, that you can see there. Also the ferry boat is also there, and that's the ferry terminal that will take you from Malta main island to Gozo, which is a large populated island just outside of the coast of the main Malta island. And between Malta and Gozo you will find also Comino, a beautiful island with a beautiful blue lagoon. But yeah, I expected a bit more for a paradise beach. This is mostly trash. I guess it is being maintained during the summer, but not during winter. I see lots of trash, and the sandy part of the beach is very, very small. It's only maybe less than 100 meters. And the beach is quite empty today, other than 2 dogs and 3 people that are with them and chilling on the beach. So yeah, I have visited 7 beaches in total today. Started off at Imjiva, then continuing to Meliecha Bay beach, and then visited 2 secluded beaches that are rocky, the World War II beach post and the Wallstone beach also. Continuing then to Armier Bay beach, and after that the Coral Bay beach. It was super windy over there, and then I walked all the way now to Paradise Bay to close the day. It will be sunset in half an hour, so but no sun is on the site as the clouds have taken over, and it is lots of winds also over here, and the dogs are barking in the in the background. So yeah, I'm sharing with you interesting facts about Malta on my Malta Beach Adventures now, and the interesting fact for today is that which one should I choose? Yes, that there are over 368 churches in Malta, so that's like almost at least one per day for the island. So lots of churches. And hey, there's a jellyfish right now that I can see. Small jellyfish that's approaching. So let's then try to get in. So the bottom here is mostly sandy with few big rocks, and I see jellyfish also. So let's try to avoid them. And I expected a bit more actually to be a paradise, to be fair, but we will make it work anyway. Here you can see also the whole beach with the rocky area as well. And this is how it looks on the other side. Yes, outdoor temperature right now is 17 degrees Celsius and sea temperature is 16.8 degrees Celsius. I spotted several jellyfish, so let's be careful here. But to be fair, during a sunny summer day, I think here the water would be crystal clear and nice. I also read that this is also popular for parties, but it's also a family beach because it's easily accessible as well. So I guess the young people are here during the evenings, late nights partying. That makes sense. All right, then let's take the last swim for today, this wonderful 20th of January in Malta, in Paradise Bay. Let's go! It's super nice in the water and it's sand everywhere, and the color of the water looks nice even this late in the evening towards sunset. So quite okay, but there are better beaches here in Malta that I visited already, and then I'm about to visit in the next 2 days also. So that's a wrap from Paradise Bay in Malta, in the north part of Malta, close to Ċirkewwa, the ferry terminal. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!